All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have been working over the last several weeks on solving equations. One-step equations, two-step equations, equations with variables on both sides. And now we're going to put all of that information to work in solving some word problems. So today, here's what we're going to be able to do at the end of this lesson. We're going to be able to solve a word problem by writing an equation. Okay, so we're going to start with writing equations, and then we're going to use our skills that we've been learning over the past several weeks to solve the equation. Okay, so we're going to be reading word problems, writing equations, and solving. Let's look at number 1 on your worksheet. It says, last week, Carly had several rice cakes and 3 granola bars as snacks. The snacks contained a total of 800 calories. If each granola bar had 120 calories and each rice cake had 40 calories, how many rice cakes did she have? So we're going to start by finding all of the information we know. Okay? We know that Carly ate 2 things. She ate rice cakes and she ate granola bars. All it says here is that she ate several rice cakes, so we don't know how many rice cakes she actually ate. Okay? And when we don't know something, that's usually when we put in a variable. All right? So our rice cakes, we know is going to be our variable. Let's use the variable r. Okay? We know she ate 3 granola bars. Okay, so we don't need to assign a variable to that. The snacks contained a total of 800 calories. Okay, so there's a lot of information in this problem. We don't know how many rice cakes she ate. We know she ate 3 granola bars, and we know she's had 800 calories. Okay, let's keep reading. If each granola bar has 120 calories, we know that she had 3 granola bars, and each granola bar has 120 calories. So, total, we can figure out how many calories she ate in granola bars. 3 granola bars, 120 calories each. That's going to be a multiplication problem. So let's multiply. 3 times 120. 360 calories. So we know that Carly ate 360 calories in granola bars. It's a lot of good information. Okay? We also know that each rice cake had 40 calories. Okay? But what we don't know is how many rice cakes she ate. So here, we multiplied the number of granola bars times the calories. So up here, wouldn't you think we would do the same thing? The number of rice cakes, which is represented as R, times 40. Okay, we know our total is 800 calories. So here's the equation we're going to write. 40R, which is the same as R times 40, or 40 times R. That represents her rice cakes. So 40 calories times, we don't know how many rice cakes. Okay, plus she ate 360 calories worth of granola bars. 360. Total, she ate 800 calories. So we had to do a lot of work to write that equation. But we were able to give enough information that we can solve now for R. So now we have a linear equation that we can solve. We're going to start by subtracting 360 from both sides. Minus 360 on this side. We could subtract 360 from this side. So we have 40 R, or 40 times R, these cancel out, equals, let's get that calculator back out, 800 minus 360, 440. So 40R equals 440. Okay, to solve for R, we're going to divide both sides by 40. So 40 divided by 40 gives us 1, so those cancel out, so we're good on the left-hand side. 440 divided by 40 gives us 11. So R equals 11. Now, we're going to look back up at our problem. How many rice cakes did she have? Well, we said R represented the number of rice cakes, and we said R equals 11. So, Carly had 11 rice cakes. Now, that took a lot of steps and a lot of work. So I want you to keep in mind that as you're solving each problem today, the method might be different for every single problem. And how you solve it is going to be different, and it may take some work. So I want you to work together with your partner. I want you to ask questions, and I want you to try, because this is going to be challenging, but I know that you guys can do it. So we're going to start on number 2 on your worksheet with your partner, and your goal is to get as many done this hour as you can with teacher and partner help. Good luck, and work hard.